How to create automatic free shipping discount on Shopify. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create an automatic free shipping discount on Shopify. So first of all, log into the Shopify admin account, and from the dashboard, click on discounts on the left side. Just wait a moment for the page to finish loading. Once the page is open, click on the Create Discount button, and a pop-up will appear on the screen where you need to select the type of discount you want to offer your customers. Select any one. I am going with free shipping. A new page will open on the screen where you'll set the discount criteria. So first, you need to create a discount code. You can generate a random code for the discount, or you can create your own custom code. Next, if you plan to offer free shipping to all countries, keep the first option selected. Otherwise, you can choose specific countries to offer the free shipping discount to. In this example, I'll offer free shipping for the United States and Australia. You can select according to your region and then click on Add. Now, we also have an option to set minimum purchase requirements to get the free shipping discount. You can choose this based on your currency and pricing. Next, you can set eligibility for this discount. I'm going with all customers, but you can define a specific criteria if needed. In the next section, you can set the maximum discount uses. I'll set it to limit the number of times this discount can be used, only 2 times per customer. Now for the combinations section, if you want to offer this free shipping promotion along with other discounts, you can configure that here based on your needs. Lastly, set the active dates. Let's suppose I want to start from today. To set the end date, checkmark the box, open the calendar to select an end date, and then choose the time the offer should end. Once everything is done, click on the Save button. Once it's saved, the users who get the discount code can apply the discount during checkout on their total balance. And that's it. This is how you can create an automatic free shipping discount on Shopify. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.